Hey, what up everybody? This is Dory Staler from the band Jelly Tot, and today I'm going to show you something that you may not have known about the band Slipknot. Here you go. Basically, what I am going to be talking about in this video is a song from the We Are Not Your Kind album known as My Pain. And I'm going to play the actual song right now.
I'm your death, and I'm your cold.
And now I'm going to show you that I have the exact same keyboard that they used on the album. Not the one they used in the studio, but it's the same model, right? You get it. And Mind the Mask, it is too big for my head. I'm a tiny boy. And before I demonstrate, I just want to clarify that this is a Yamaha Portasound PSS 140 keyboard. Don't know when they were made and don't know how rare they are because I'm not a keyboard wizard. But for the melody, you pick 93 on the voice bank because there is 100 different settings on this keyboard. It's amazing. But basically, when you select 93, you go. That's basically the melody. And for the hi-hat, you get. And that is basically all the stuff that I have that makes the sounds from My Pain. So I hope you enjoyed.